The air is fresh after the rain, and Segovia Guiomar feels like a quiet intermission. Did you know this modern station was opened in 2007 to connect Segovia to Spain's high-speed rail network? Though it sits just outside the old city, its sleek glass and steel design reflects a new chapter for ancient Segovia. Inside its calm, travelers trickle in slowly, as if walking through the last page of a book. We'll soon descend toward the platform. No rush, just rhythm. A journey waits. If you're enjoying this walk, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps us bring you more of these moments. It keeps the walk going and the journey growing.
Do you feel this weather? Are you kidding me? There's like a work council. This is insane. You know what? That's true, Katie, because my friend texted me and there was some
Here it comes, sleek, quiet, and confident. The RENFE Avant S-114 glides into Segovia Guiomar. Did you know this model was crafted for short, high-speed distances, precision-tuned for regional excellence? Its top commercial speed is 250 kilometers per hour, but its real strength is balance, performance, comfort, and daily reliability. Each train is composed of 4 cars, lightweight, aerodynamic, and engineered for smoother acceleration. Its traction system was redesigned from earlier models, allowing for better control in Spain's varied terrain. Unlike long-distance EVs, this Avant version runs on a single-class layout, all passengers treated equally, with premium comfort. Energy consumption was reduced by optimizing its braking system, a quiet triumph of European eco-innovation. Its interior flow feels open, seats arranged to balance privacy with panoramic visibility. This isn't just engineering, it's a moving space for reflection, connection, and stories in motion. A silent agreement happens the moment you board. You're part of a shared journey, brief but significant. As the Spanish writer Ramón Gómez de la Serna might say, a train is not a machine, it's the theater where life forgets to act.
De agachas, yo imagínate que te caes. Ok. No tienes dónde agarrarte normalmente. Estabas perdido. Pero pues os agacháis, ¿no?
If you're enjoying this walk, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps us bring you more of these moments. It keeps the walk going and
the
a
journey
calm
growing.
atmosphere fills the train, like a shared pause between destinations. Outside, the fields move quickly. Inside, time seems to soften. Some faces rest against windows. Others drift into thought, each one somewhere else. The soft hum of the engine becomes a kind of meditation. People sit quietly, some reading, some thinking, some simply being. It's a ride made of stillness, even as the train speeds ahead. No conversations needed. The silence carries its own comfort. Every traveler holds something unseen, a plan, a memory, or a quiet hope. This journey is short, but it gives the mind room to breathe. And as the rails stretch forward, so does the feeling that something good awaits. As Luis Cernuda once reflected, the real homeland is not where you are born, but where you feel understood. The golden fields stretch endlessly, like pages waiting for a new chapter. Did you know these lands have grown wheat, barley, and rye for centuries? Tree-lined ridges offer shade to scattered farmhouses, each holding a dozen untold stories. No billboards, no clutter, just the serenity of untouched earth. Every curve of the terrain whispers the patience of time and rain. Small roads run parallel to the tracks, silent companions to the train's purpose. Even the sky seems wider here, more generous with its light. Occasionally, as sheep graze in motionless flocks, unaware of the world racing by. There's a stillness that settles, the kind only nature and distance can offer. You don't just pass through the countryside, it passes through you. As Luis Cernuda once reflected, the fields know everything we've forgotten in the noise of our cities. The first sign of Madrid is faint, industrial fences in the far distance. Apartment blocks emerge like stone sentinels, watching, unmoved, since the last goodbye. Did you know Madrid's northern entrance is one of the most urbanized corridors in Spain?
les agradece que hayan elegido su servicio y confía en poder atenderles de nuevo a bordo.
If you're enjoying this walk, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps us bring you more of these moments. It keeps the walk going and the journey growing.
Chamartín Clara Campoamor.
Conmigo.
The skyline arrives gradually, led by the Cuatro Torres, proud and reflective in the light. Construction cranes dot the view. The city is always reinventing itself. Traffic veins below match the tempo of the train, fast, constant, unstoppable. Office buildings blend with residential blocks, steel and glass beside balconies and plants. The sun softens into copper as it dips behind towers and rooftops. It's Madrid again, familiar, tall, and waiting. The magic of return, different place, same station. But maybe you've changed. As Antonio Gala once said, returning is never the same as staying. One always comes back as someone else. The wheels slow, the rhythm fades. Chamartín returns like a familiar song. Concrete, steel, and the sound of movement. Some passengers stand with purpose, others remain seated, stretching time a little longer. Backpacks zip, jackets shift, glances meet. The journey ends, but the city begins. Outside, the towers wait, tall reminders of schedules and stories still unfolding. The day has changed, so have we. Even short trips hold pieces of transformation. As Juan Benet once wrote, "In every return lies the seed of another departure."